Hey guys, good evening. A little late making the video, but I had a webinar I was watching and got some things done. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make this concise and a short video. I went through my scans. I don't have anything that's really setting up right now. Plus, it's again, I don't feel like it's the market to be aggressively long right now. Just manage what you currently have, and based on the previous setups I've given you, if any of those set up, then take them if you have volume behind them and the market is in your favor. This is the wedge that I was referring to earlier and that I posted, where I said we're going to get a breakout from this, and it's going to be significant. We just didn't know if it was going to be this way or this way. It ended up being this way, so we took advantage of that. I was able to sell some shorts. I was able to make a good profit on my TQQQs and my UPRO, so that worked out fine. Again, this is parabolic, and then kind of wavered a little bit. So now we're still at this level that we need to kind of cross over on this. Let me get to the Qs, which is basically kind of the same thing here. We broke out of this wedge right here. We had this little pattern that I discussed. We broke higher. We still got to get above this 330, and we still got this 350 to cover. Now after hours, we're down big. We're down big after hours. Why? Because we are in a downtrending market, guys. We are in a downtrending market. So we're gonna get awesome snapback rallies, but they're not sustainable. I was thinking we might even get to the 21 here. We might still get there. I don't know, but I know the reason why we're down. I'll show you in a second. But I thought we were gonna get to at least to the 21 to kind of head ahead here, then fall back down lower. So that's why I was kind of quick getting rid of my TQQQs, because I just saw topping action, and then it turned out to be kind of factual, and then it reversed itself. Now the main reason why this is going on, it's Amazon. Amazon is down 260 points. It's down almost 9%. It was down 10% earlier. It was up, on the day, 26.32. It's like, 26.32. It's like somewhere here, and we ended up closing here. So we've lost all this in after hours. They reported the numbers. They sucked, and we are going to have a down day tomorrow. That's simple. Just because at least the Nasdaq. Again, we might rebound. This might, like we had with Google, where we had a down day in Google, and it kind of rebounded a little bit. But Apple also reported. Apple had pretty decent numbers. Nothing to write home about. They're down 2% after hours. Even they were buy the rumors, sell the news. So we were up on the rumor of the earnings release, and then we sold off. So it doesn't look like it's going to be a great day tomorrow. Nvidia after hours, it's down almost 3% from going up 7. I made good money in Nvidia today. I sold some shorts, like I was saying, so I was able to at least monetize that move today, and get some premium on that. So again, we're not looking like anything. It's happening anytime soon. Don't do anything crazy. We haven't even gotten to a 21. The 21 just crossed below the 50 on the SPY. So again, we're going from bad to we got a little bit of relief, and then again we're down on everything. So just on your stops, if you had TQQQ or UPRO, I hope you got out of it, because tomorrow, it looks like it's going to be pretty highly probable we're going to have a big down day. Like right now, the futures are down 210 points. So, we're in 200 plus territory being down. I stopped out of everything on my futures. I made some profits. So, again, it just not an environment to be getting aggressive here going long. what I was looking for on the little snapback rally that I mentioned was to sell some shorts and cover my short puts, and that's what I did. So that worked out. Tomorrow we have a down day. Those are going to be profitable. So a little built-in hedge. So again, just be careful. Stocks are not setting up. There's nothing growth. I mean, I haven't got any signals on my alerts to like anything that's kind of working. So that tells you something in the market. I mean, let me see here. I think just to look at it, because I had an alert here on this. It's down 10% after market. I mean, from the 50s and 60s. You know, this is Robinhood. From this, it's just like, I mean, it's a $9 stock, guys. From being in the $60, $50 range, it's a $9 stock. Once it crosses the 50, you get out. Again, there was no 50 here because it just it's an IPO, but you know what I mean. Once it just breaks, you know, let's say a previous low. Let's say, you know, this was established and it went up a little bit, it meander around, and then you had this gap down right here. I think you're done. You're done at, you know, let's say 38. You saved yourself $30. Okay, so again, honor stops. Don't do anything tomorrow crazy. Don't try to bottom fish. Let me see how this held up. Yeah, it went up 17 points. Not too bad. It's hit ahead on the 50. So I don't foresee this going any higher. The 50 is right there. Maybe another 5, 6, 10 points. No big deal. I mean, it's not going to really do anything. It's a one-day wonder. The market's going to take it down tomorrow. Google, look at that. Google is down 30 points after hours because of Amazon and so forth. It was up 84 today. It was down 100 and something. So again, we had this choppy market. And look at these trend lines. The 21 crossed the 50. The 9 EMA crossed the 21 and the 50 heading down. They're all heading down. And the 200 is kind of pointing down. This is not a good market environment, guys. So just be careful. Stay safe. You know, we can go lower. There is absolutely no reason why we can't go lower. We're down, you know, we're down 50% from today's movement. We're down already after hour 50%, and the market hasn't even opened yet tomorrow. So be careful, okay? Stay safe. Talk to you guys on the weekend video.